Foundations of Math 30. So here we are. We're in the middle of a question, and there's a great graphing calculator tip that we need to cover here. The great graphing calculator tip is this. We have some data from 6.4 in Foundations of Math 30. We have some data for gas prices. Here is my cubic regression equation, that line, that curve of best fit that fits through there. The question is asking what year, what X value was the gas price at 100 cents per liter, or $1 per liter. So what we did is we put in another function, y equals 100. And this is y equals 100, and so where this price, the y value, intercepts the function there, that is the x value that we're looking for. So how do we do that? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate an intersection point. So second function trace gets you to your calculate menu, and if you look down here, number 5 is intersect. So we're going to calculate the intersection point. So again, that second function trace to get to the calculate menu, we'll go to number 5. And then the calculator is going to do this. It's going to say, hey, is this your first curve that you want me to consider? And you tell the calculator yes by hitting enter. Then the cursor will pop up to the next curve, and there it's listed up there in case you have more than 2 curves on your graph. This is the other one. And it's going to say, hey, is this the second curve you want me to consider? And you hit enter to say yes. And then it'll say this. The calculator will be talking to you here. It'll say, do you want me to guess now? And you say yes, but before that, you might want to, and if there's only 2 graphs, you don't have to do this probably, but you want to move your cursor somewhere close to where you want the calculator to guess that intersection point. And this is going to be really handy if you have multiple intersection points on your screen. But then you hit enter again to say yes, and then it will give you, here's the y equals 100, and this is the x value that's exactly associated with that. Okay? So you basically, in this type of question, if you want to find an x value given a y value, create a separate function for that y value, and then determine the intersection point. One more time. Second function, I don't know if that was off screen. Sorry, second function, calculate. Hello. Second function, calculate. We want to go to intersect. First curve, okay, so it's going to be highlighting one of the curves, this one right here. Say yes. Second curve, yes. Guess, yes. Really easy. And there's your intersection point. And so we could answer this question, what year was the gas price $1 per liter? According to this question, it was 27.4 years after 1979. Okay? So there you go. So 06-ish, about April. May, something like that. March, somewhere around there. Got it? Questions? No? Good? Okay, finding intersection point.